Hello. Today we are going to be doing a very exciting kind of workout. Today we are doing a full body workout. If you have watched my video on the glute workout, you've watched my video on the upper body workout, I decided to do something different for you, and that is the full body workout. So let's get into it. Today I'm going to be starting off with some seated hamstring curls. So let me get into it properly. We're going to be touching the legs, the arms, the back. Yeah, we're going to be doing the whole thing today. So I'm going to start with seated hamstring curls. This is really to target my hamstrings, and I am going to be doing 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps of this exercise. It really hits those hamstrings, I promise you. Give it a try, thank me later. So for the second workout, I'm sorry, it's hip thrust. We have to do it. It's hip thrust. So we are going to do 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. I tried to make today's workout not so hard, but I know, ladies, I know we don't like hip thrust, but it is what it is, okay? The next exercise is Bulgarian split squats. So I am actually just recovering from a knee injury. So I am trying to slowly work my way into anything like squats, lunges, and all of that. So I had to get a knee wrap, but feel free to get knee sleeve if you're trying to work your way back into squats and lunges. So I just did a little warm up to see if we're good to go, and we are good to go. So let's go into Bulgarian split squats. We are going to do 3 sets of 10 reps each leg. Don't forget how I taught you how to do Bulgarian split squats. So now that we are done with the Bulgarian split squats, I would go straight into glute cable kickbacks. This is an isolation exercise that I like to do. You can do this, or you can do the seated abduction. Either one, I want to do this. So I'm going to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps of this exercise. Remember I said it's a full body workout? Yes. So now that we are done with our lower body, let's get into upper body. And to start off, we are going to start with some flat pull downs, and I'm going to do 3 sets of this exercise. Next up, seated cable rows. You want to target your back, your bra fats. This is the workout for you. 3 sets of this. I actually prefer doing the single arm cable rows, but today or any day I'm actually short on time or I'm exhausted, I just do this one and it does what it's supposed to do. But of course, the other back workouts as well, so don't skip your back day. So to finish up, I'm going to do one workout for tricep, and then I'm also going to do one workout for bicep. So I'm doing the tricep extension and I'm going to do the bicep curls. Each of them 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. So that is all that I have for you for today's workout. Make sure that you are pushing yourself because it is you versus you, okay? We have come to the end of this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.